going on YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Bring you guys another official video. Okay, guys, a lot of people have been asking me about how you get your rev limiters past 3,000 RPMs. As you guys know, I'm going to go ahead and just rev my car past right now, and as you can see, it doesn't go past, I believe, 2,000 RPM. My car is currently in park. I'm gonna put it in reverse, hold my foot on the brake. Same thing, it doesn't go past 2 RPM. If you notice right here where you got the R and you got the P, I'm gonna try it again. All right, here we go. We won't go past 2 RPMs, right? And that's even where I have my actual launch control set up. So the trick to make it go past 2,000 RPMs. Now once again, guys, I don't recommend this. This is solely if you want to rev your engine. This is solely if you are at a car show or an event and you just want to show them what you can do if you're testing out an exhaust. I don't recommend doing this too often, but just want to show you guys a little cheat hack on how you can rev it to the top. So as you can see, I'm going to put my foot on the brake right over there. And then what you want to do is where the P is, you see right here is nothing there. So you want to do it to where it's not in reverse or it's not in park. So right in the middle. So watch this, guys. I got it right in the middle. There's nothing there. So watch, I'm going to step on the accelerator and watch those revs. All the way to 7 RPM. So you guys saw that. Simple as that, guys. If you want to rev and make your engine roar and you want to show off at a car show or see what your exhaust sounds like on full RPM, that's all you got to do. I'm going to do it one more time and let you guys hear it. And that's pretty much it. Just want to share that with you guys. Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors with another quick hack. Peace, I'm out.